Okay, tell me, are the voice and screen clear? Are the voice and screen clear? All okay? Yes. Fine. Good morning, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Yes, good morning. So, are you doing your daily homework? Everyone has not submitted the homeworks yet. अथर्व नुसतं केलंय म्हणायचं, सबमिट तर काही केलेलं नाहीये, नुसतंच म्हणायचं केलंय सर, हे की नाही? केलंयस का? केलंय. लेक्चर बघतोयस का? बघतोय. नोट्स केलायस का? केलंय. दाखव म्हटलं की काय दाखवायचं, हे की नाही? एकही होमवर्क सबमिट केला नाहीये आजपासून आजपर्यंत, कुठलाही नाही. कुठल्याही आधीच्या चॅप्टर पासून आतापर्यंत कुठलीही लिस्ट ओपन करून बघितली, त्यात तुझं नाव नाहीये. आणि मी सर सगळं केलंय, सगळं केलंय. दाखवलं तर एक पण नाही, है की नाही? सिन्सिअरिटी नसेल तर कसं चालेल ना? आणि मला कळणार तरी कसं तुम्ही केलंय की नाही केलंय? होमवर्क सबमिट केल्याशिवाय मला कळणार तरी कसं? बघूया आज तरी सबमिट होतंय का आता. लॅग होतोय? नाही, लॅग वगैरे काय होत नाहीये. इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लेम? नो, नो प्रॉब्लेम इन द व्हिडिओ ऑडिओ. Second device is recording. I think that's your internet connectivity problem. Okay, fine. Sarth is saying video. Wait for a second. Is that okay now? All okay? Yes, fine. Okay, so we'll start now. What was the last point? Tell me. What was the last point? We were solving some examples, right? We were solving some examples. Which example we solved last time? 27. Okay. Sir, we were solving example number 27. Okay, let me find it. Yes. Okay. So we solved example number 27. Okay. Now example number 28. You tried it? 28 is a very easy question. I think I am not required for it. Delta U is equal to, or delta Q is equal to delta U plus W, first law of thermodynamics. Okay. What is given there? During an adiabatic expansion of, write down. We'll do it fast. It is easy, so we'll do it fast. Example 28. Write along with me. Question number 28. During an adiabatic expansion, now they said adiabatic Q equal to 0, heat exchange is equal to 0. During an adiabatic expansion, they said expansion, so W is going to be positive. So W is going to be the positive, work done by the gas is going to be positive. In the expansion, work done by the gas is positive, and in the compression, work done by the gas is negative. When the work done by the gas is negative, we say work is done on the gas. Okay, that we know. Give me a second, let me. Fine. All right. Next, the work done during the change in internal energy was found to be equal to minus 100 joule. change in internal energy, final minus initial, is given to be minus 100 joule. The work done during the process by the gas will be, work done by the gas will be, of course it is going to be a positive value. Let's see if it is or not. Very simple thing. Q is equal to delta U plus W. It's an adiabatic process, so put Q equal to 0. Then delta U is equal to minus 100 plus W, that's it. So W minus 100 equal to 0, minus 100 on the left hand side or W on the left hand side, you will get W equals to 100 joule. That's it. Question over. Next question, question number, let's write on the right hand side. You just complete it, write it. क्वेश्चन तुम्ही करून बघणं एक्सपेक्टेड होतं, चेक करा केलंय की नाही. सर आम्ही काल बिझी होतो. Question number 29. A system changes from the state P1V1 to P2V2 as shown in the figure. What is the work done by the system? See, on the y-axis they have plotted pressure in SI unit, Newton per meter square. On the x-axis they have plotted volume in SI unit, meter cube, and answers are given both in SI as well as CGS unit, joule as well as erg. Let's see. Let us try to find out the answer. Before finding out the answer, we know the answer is going to be the area under the curve. Okay, so we need to find out the area of trapezium. Yes, we will find it out. 1/2 sum of parallel sides into height, that we can do. Then what they have said, the answers are 7.5, 12, sorry, 7.5 into 5, 7.5 into 10 raised to 4, 12 into 10 raised to 5, and 6 into 10 raised to 5. Fine. Let's see what is the answer. How to find out the answer? Let's see. If you are given such a diagram in which values of pressure and volume are given, in that case, this is very easy question. Area under the pressure volume graph is to be found out. Okay, this is the graph. This marking is 1. This marking is 1. And this marking is 5. This marking is 5. And volume is measured in meter cube. Now this value of the pressure is what? Let me check. This value of pressure is 1 into 10 raised to 5. Alright. This is 1 into 10 raised to 5. And this marking this marking of the pressure is 5 into 10 raised to 5. Alright. What is this marking? Sir, this marking is 5 into 10 raised to 5. This is pressure being measured in Newton per meter square. Okay, sir. Now we want to find out the area under the pressure volume graph and the volume axis, not the pressure axis, not this area, this area. Area under pressure volume graph and the volume axis. This area we want to find out. Okay, so that is work done. Work done is equal to, let us call this point A, this as B, this as C, this as D. So area, which area? A, B, C, D, A. A, B, C, D, A. This area we want to find out. It is trapezium. So 1/2 sum of parallel sides. This is the first side. This side, length of this side is equal to this marking minus this marking. This marking is 0. So 1 into 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to 5 minus 0 means 1 into 10 raised to 5. Sum of parallel sides, this side plus this side. What is this side? This marking minus this marking. This marking is 5 into 10 raised to 5. 5 into 10 raised to 5 minus this marking means 0. No need to write minus 0. This is 1/2 sum of parallel sides into height. Now this is the height of the trapezium. This is the height of the trapezium. Now to find out the height, we have to write this marking minus this marking means 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. Okay, this is in meter cube. This is in Newton per meter square. So everything in SI unit. Our answer will be in SI unit. 1/2. 10 raised to 5. 10 raised to 5 common. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into 6 is 4 into 6 is what? 24. 24 upon 2 is 12. These many joule. Now look at the options. Is there any option with 12 into 10 raised to 5 joule? Yes, it is. It is there. Is that clear? Reply me in the chat box, everyone. Clear झालं का बाळांनो? Everyone tell me now. Is that clear? Good. Very good. Now these kind of questions shall become very easy questions for you. You shall put these kind of questions in easy category now. Okay. We have seen some moderate questions as well as difficult questions as well, but at least this kind of question shall be put into the easy category. Okay. Yes, sir. Next. Question number 30. You try it on your own. Question number 30 and tell me the answer. Try करा बाळांनो. And before that, tell me one more thing. Now, while doing regular homeworks, daily homeworks you are doing, right? While doing those homeworks, are you able to solve at least some of the questions without referring to the solutions? आता जमायला लागले का questions? रोजच्या रोज केलं की क्वेश्चन जमायला लागतील बाळांनो. ओके. अँड दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. मी तुमच्या मागं का लागलोय, तुम्हाला का रागवतोय मी, तर त्याचं कारण एवढंच आहे की तुम्हाला जरा रेग्युलर अभ्यास करायची सवय मला लावायची आहे. तेवढं जरा करा, तेवढं जरा करा. एकदा तुम्हाला सवय लागली ना, मग तुम्हाला मी पण लागणार नाही. मग सर सांगायची वाट बघत नाही तुम्ही. आज झालंय ना, आजची 10 गणितं आजची कुठली तुम्हाला काढता येत नाहीत का? तुम्हालाही काढता येतात. सरांनीच काढून दिली पाहिजेत असं नाहीये. मी करेन रोज करेन. जोपर्यंत तुम्हाला सवय लागत नाही तोपर्यंत करेन. पण एकदा सवय लागली की मग तुम्ही थांबायचं नाही. ओके. काय आन्सर आलं? 3P1V1. ओके. मला चॅट जरा वाचू द्या. लेट मी रीड द चॅट. सर व्हॉइस वॉज म्युटेड. So I rejoined. Okay, no issues. Don't worry, and just don't worry. Nothing will be missed by you because everything I am recording. So just don't worry, Advait. Fine. So question number 30. केला का तुम्ही? Question number 30. Tell me what is the answer. How you find it out? Same, I think. Area of triangle. Clear नहीं है? Yash is saying it's not clear. Clear का नहीं है बाळ? एक मिनिट थांब. फोकस तर आहे. डिव्हाइस मध्ये पण दिसते, रेकॉर्डिंगच्या. क्लिअर दिसते रे. Just now tell me, is that clear or not? आहे ना क्लिअर? आज काय नेटवर्क इश्यू आहे का तुमच्या इकडे? Question number 30. They have written something like this. An ideal gas is taken through the series of the changes A, B, C, A. The amount of the work involved in the cycle. Okay. Now, you should be very careful with the signs while calculating work using area method. Whenever you find area, try to find out positive value of area. रेंज लो दाखवते. बरं थांब. नाही, रेंज लो वगैरे काही दाखवत नाहीये. रेंज लो वगैरे असं काही येत नसेल मेसेज. आला तर बँडविड्थ लो असा मेसेज येईल, पण तसा मेसेज मला दिसत नाहीये सेकंड डिव्हाइस मध्ये. रेकॉर्डिंगच्या डिव्हाइस मध्ये तर दिसत नाहीये. एनीवन अदर हॅव्हिंग सेम प्रॉब्लेम? यश, आय थिंक तुला एकट्यालाच प्रॉब्लेम आहे. जस्ट व्हिडिओची लिंक पाठवतो. ओके. रेकॉर्ड केल्यानंतर इमिजिएटली तुला व्हिडिओची लिंक पाठवतो दुपारी, किंवा याच्यावरती अपलोड होणारच आहे. ओके. ऍप वरती अपलोड होणारच आहे. ओके. जस्ट डोंट वरी. जस्ट डोंट वरी. बाकीच्या मुलांना प्रॉब्लेम नाही आहे म्हणजे आय थिंक मे बी तुझ्या इंटरनेटचा इश्यू असेल. ओके फाईन. सो तू नंतर परत एकदा व्हिडिओ बघून घे हा. फाईन. This is point A, this is point B, this is point C. So what I was saying that while calculating the area under the curve, find out the positive value of area, okay, and then decide whether to write that area positive or negative depending upon whether the work is to be written as positive or negative value. And now here what they have written, here they have written P0, here they have written 4P0, here they have written what, here they have written V1, okay, here they have written what, 3 times V1, okay, here they have written P1, here they have written 4P1, okay. Now they have asked what is the work done in the cyclic process. We know work done in the cyclic process is area enclosed inside pressure volume graph, not pressure temperature, not volume temperature, pressure volume graph चाच area बघायचा असतो बाळांनो. Okay, it's pressure volume graph, area enclosed inside pressure volume graph. Okay sir, 1/2 base into height, base, this marking minus this marking, 3V1 minus V1, 1/2 base into height, this marking minus this marking, 4P1 minus P1, that's it. 1/2, 3V1 minus P1 is 2V1, 4P1 minus P1 is 3P1. Sir, 2 cancel, this 3 at the front, 3P1 V1. Check if I am right or wrong. Check if I am right or wrong. Are you getting this? Type of question, area under a curve type of question. Hope it is clear to all of you. Shall we move on to the next question? Just reply me yes or no, or clear and written, so that I can move on to the next question. Yes, good. चला पार्थ पुढचा क्वेश्चन बघूया. चल क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. Okay, now something interesting is given in the question number 31. Okay, some diagram is given. Okay, now Yash is saying it is clear. Okay Yash, good, fine. In the figure shown here, thermodynamic system goes from initial state I, initial state is I, locate where that initial state I is, शोधा ती कुठे आहे, find out that initial state I, to the final 3 possible states A to B, A or B or C, असं पाहिजे ते, it should be A or B or C. In the figure shown here, thermodynamic system goes from initial state I to the 3 possible states A or B or C, then the final state achieved by an isochoric process is, which of the following is isochoric process? They are asking which of the following is isochoric process. That's not a big deal for you. This is what, which axis it is? Pressure axis. Okay, this is temperature axis. Okay, this is the initial state, this point is the initial state, this is point C, process is like this, I to C, then I to A is this, I to A is this, and then we have I to B. I to B, if extended it may pass through origin, if extended it may pass through origin, so these dotted lines, and this is point B. Tell me which process is isochoric process? Which final state is achieved by, which final state is achieved by isochoric process? This is temperature, this is pressure. Isochoric, isochoric means what? Volume constant. Volume constant वाला curve कुठला आहे बाळा? Which final state is achieved by isochoric process? Or identify the isochoric curve. State identify करायचे असेल तर A, B, C should be the answer. And if you identify the process, then IA, IB or IC should be the answer. Vidula is saying IA. But IA curve ka hai? What is the IA curve? Everyone tell me what is IA curve? IA curve. Temperature constant. Isothermal. Good. IA curve बाळ काय आहे? It is isothermal curve. What they have asked? They have asked you isochoric curve. So this cannot be the option. IC curve. What is the IC curve, sir? During the IC curve, pressure is always constant. At each and every point on this curve, pressure is constant. So it is isobaric. So it is isobaric. So only possible option that remains is IB. Sorry, yeah, correct. Is IB curve. Now for IB curve to be isochoric, let us verify. For isochoric process, pressure temperature graph, is it straight line or not? Let's verify. PV is equal to nRT. Pressure versus temperature curve for constant volume. So nR upon V into T. For constant volume, pressure is directly proportional to temperature, and the nature of the graph is simply like this. Y is equal to mx. If y is equal to mx with positive slope, see, line is, direction of process is this, but still the tangent is like this or like this, so slope is going to be positive. Sir, arrow इकडे आहे मग slope negative will का? नाही बाळा. If the line is like this, let the arrow be like this or the arrow be like this, slope will be positive. If the line is like this, let the arrow be like this or like this, slope will be negative. Slope will be negative. For such kind of line, slope will be negative. For such kind of line, slope will be positive, irrespective of arrow. Fine. Arrow just indicates the direction of process. Fine. So y equal to mx. No c term is there. Y is equal to mx plus c मतलब c 0 है. So it is passing through origin. Yes. So this is the isochoric curve. IA is the isochoric. Sorry, IB is the isochoric. IA is what? Isothermal. IA is isothermal. You can identify. At all the points on the curve, temperature is constant. At all the points on the curve, pressure is constant. Volume is changing. For this curve, volume is changing, but pressure is constant. So it's isobaric. And this is isochoric. This is isochoric. Okay. Fine. Now let us move on to the next question. That is question number 32. That is question number 32. Let us see what is given in the question number 32. I think I asked you to solve this question on your own. Okay. Now let us see. Can we solve this question? Let us see. Can we solve this question? During isothermal, isobaric, and adiabatic process, work done for the same change in volume, equal volume change, equal expansion or equal compression. What they have said? Same change in volume. अरे same change in volume म्हणजे काय बाळ? What is the meaning of same change in volume? Equal expansion or equal compression question. Yes, such kind of question we have already done. Will be maximum for W will be max for W will be maximum for curve number 1 is this. This is the initial volume marking V1. This is the final volume marking V2. This is the curve number A. This is the curve number B. And this is the curve number C. Okay. Tell me the name of the curve A. Tell me the name of the curve A. Isochoric, isobaric, adiabatic, isothermal. Vidula, tell me what is the name of this curve. This process is isobaric, isochoric, isothermal, adiabatic. It is isobaric. Very good. Sir, this is isobaric. Okay. They are asking W is maximum for. Okay. So, here whenever comparing the work done, we know that work done is a positive or 0 or a negative value. So it is to be compared with the sign. Work done हे sign बरोबर with sign it is to be compared. But right now, sir, in all the processes A, B, and C, volume is increasing. If volume is increasing, W is going to be positive. No special care is required. No special care is required. Okay, sir. Fine. So, which value of work done will be highest? Tell me. Which area under curve is highest? Curve A, curve B, or curve C? What? Sanga, you know this. Area under the first curve A is this. Area under second curve is this. And area under third curve is this. Sequence sanga. Maximum to minimum sequence sanga. I think it is very obvious sequence. Work done in the process A is more than work done in the process B is more than work done in the process C. Right now, sir, all the work done are positive also. So no need to change these signs or reverse these signs. Even this is okay. That's it. That's it. This is the sequence. Question over. Question over. Okay. Let's not waste much time on that. But now tell me, which process is isothermal process? Bola. Which process is isothermal process? I don't want any silly mistake. Which process is isothermal process? Which process is isothermal? A is isothermal. मग हे आयसोबारिक मगाशी का म्हटलं आपण? आता टायपिंग मिस्टेक म्हणून टाकू नकोस. Which process is isothermal? आता टाकतोय ऑटो करेक्ट झालं सर. वा. कारण त्याला सगळ्यात पुढेच बघ, है की नाही? फाईन. तुला येतंय ना? ठीक आहे, चांगली गोष्ट. Yes, all of you are giving the correct answer. Sir, this curve B is isothermal because it has less slope. Because it has less slope. When comparing isothermal with the adiabatic, the curve with the more slope is adiabatic. Curve with the more slope is adiabatic, and there you simply have to compare numerical value of the slope. Stiffness only is to be taken, is to be checked, or is to be taken into the consideration. Only the stiffness, not stiffness. What I can say? Only the slope of the curve is to be considered. Okay, numerical value of the slope is to be considered. Okay, and not its sign. जो जास्त स्टिफ असेल तो चेक करा. Okay, this slope is more stiff. Sorry, this is more stiff. इथं उतार जास्त आहे. Okay, here the slope is more, here the slope is less. Okay, just compare the numerical value. Fine. So this is our isothermal curve, and this is our adiabatic. Okay, when the fundamentals are clear, these questions become very easy. Okay, so let us solve question number 33. Now that question seems something interesting, something lengthy. Let's try to solve it. Okay, so everyone concentrate. 3 moles of an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin. 3 moles of an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin. Ideal gas is given, right? Gas is given. All right. Are isothermally expanded to 5 times its volume. Okay. So initial volume is V. Then its volume is 5 times V. And the process is isothermal. This is how it is to be written. See how the data is to be written. Initial volume V, final volume 5V, process isothermal. Okay. What was temperature of this process? Of course this. Three moles of an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin are isothermally expanded to 5 times its volume. Okay. And heated at the constant volume. Sorry, I should have written it. I should have read it like this. 3 moles of an ideal gas at 300 Kelvin are isothermally expanded to 5 times its volume. Yes, to 5 times its volume. Expanded by 5 times. Expanded to means initial volume V, final volume 5V. Expanded to 5 times its volume. and heated at this constant volume so that the pressure is raised to its initial value before expansion. Okay, this is the, let's say, at this time pressure is P1. At this time pressure is P1 before expansion. After expansion, let's say pressure becomes P2. Okay. Now at constant temperature, observe here, PV is equal to nRT. Keeping temperature constant, we have increased the volume. Right hand side is constant. Volume is increasing, pressure must decrease. Pressure must decrease. Therefore, when the volume is increasing isothermally, pressure must decrease. So P2 is less than P1. P2 is less than P1. And now what they are saying? Now they are saying that the gas is now, and the gas is heated at this constant volume. At this constant volume, okay, gas is heated at this constant volume so that its pressure is raised to its initial value before expansion. So now the pressure was P2. Okay, now the pressure was again, initially it was less, here it was less. Okay, now it was heated at constant volume, means isochoric process, and that pressure was again increased to P1, and during this process volume was equal to 5V. Volume was equal to 5V. Initially the volume was increased from V to 5V. Now at 5V volume, they heated the gas. They have heated the gas so that pressure will again increase to the value before expansion. This is here we have initial volume V, here we have final volume 5V. So this is the state before expansion, this is the state after expansion. Fine. Now the gas is heated at constant volume, means isochoric process, maintaining volume equal to 5 times V. Okay sir, fine. Try to understand. In the whole process, 83.14 kilojoule